Hi everyone, my name is Raymond. I hope you are doing well. In this video, I'd like to share with you an amazing bundle of outstanding premium fonts from Creative Fabrica. And of course, this free bundle with a commercial license, so you can use this premium fonts in any project you want, like print on demand, KDP, Amazon, and any other project you want. As you see here, this creative font bundle consists of 35 premium fonts, and you can get them all for free without any charge on you. As you here with a variety of font styles like calligraphy, bold, display. As you see, these amazing premium fonts for spooky, for Halloween niche, sweet kids, okay, cartoon family, Merry Christmas for Christmas niche, Dinofly for dinosaurs. So you can use this amazing font for making headlines on your coloring books, okay. This boy font, fantastic one for Halloween, Frozen, and a lot of premium fonts, 35 premium fonts. And as you observe that this free font is time limited, it's time sensitive, so take the action now and download this premium font to your device now. As you see here, it's gonna expire in 21 days, so take the action now and click the link below in the first comment to download this amazing free fonts, okay. Thank you for watching. If you have any question, you can leave us a comment section. See you in the next video, and goodbye.